In free plan, we get 10,000 requests. Click on remove. Inshallah, this video will about how to create a GTM server container and Stape.io account. Configure and share access and accept in 2025. This video will have 3 parts. Create a GTM server container, deploy server container using Stape.io, share access and accept. Let's jump our first step. Navigate to Google Tag Manager account, then move on admin. We can create a new account. Click plus icon or a new container from existing account. I want to create a container, so click on the plus icon. Let's the name container. Then select server and create. Here are 2 options, automatically and manually. If we select automatically, it will redirect us Google Cloud to create a server account where we will need a credit card. Today I want to create a server account on Stape.io, so I am selecting it manually. Where we want to need a credit card, we have got our container configuration. Now let's copy this. It's time to move our second step. Navigate to Stape.io. Now let's create a account. Click on profile icon. For European country, select Europe, cause in that region GDPR and CCP rules vary. Otherwise, select global. Then agree with Stape terms and privacy. Scroll down. There are 3 options to sign up. Sign up with email, sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook. Let's select one according to our convenience. Select email, then continue. Now we have reached the Stape dashboard. Move on as GTM. Let's create a GTM container. Let's the name container and container configuration. Previously we copied container config from the Google Tag Manager. Now paste here. And server location. Click on drop down menu and select your website visitor most nearest server. Then create container. In Stape pricing, here many options: free, pro, pro plus, business, business plus, enterprise, enterprise plus and handmade. I want to select free plan. In free plan, we get 10,000 requests. Then scroll down and disable automatic upgrade. Then continue with free plan. We redirect our Stape.io account dashboard and our container running. Now scroll down. This is our domain name. The best practice is to create and add a subdomain from our own domain. But today I will use Stape.io's default domain. So copy this domain name. Back to Google Tag Manager account. Click on cross icon. Then move on admin. Then move on container setting. Click on add URL and paste here the URL we got from Stape.io. Then save. Let's check that the server and Google Tag Manager are connected. Move on workspace. Then go to preview. We see our container is loaded. That means all setup done. There is no summary for event data cause we have not sent any event yet. Let's complete our third step. Back to our Stape.io account dashboard. Click on profile icon. Then account setting. We can customize our profile. Set up profile picture, first name and last name. For share access, go to shared access and put the email here of the person we want to share account with. Then scroll down and click on share access. Access shared, job done. Let's see how the person who is invited will accept the invitation. Go to the email address where the invitation was sent. Open Stape Share Access email and click on Stape.io. Then click on profile icon. We see one notification. You have been granted access to the email from which the invitation was sent. And if you want remove this person anytime, go to Stape.io account dashboard and scroll down and click on remove. Here are no longer this person. Our videos 3 part are complete. Alhamdulillah.